on my Instagram account, I mentioned that I went to Canadian Tire and bought some tools because they had some tools on special right now. So the first thing here is a maximum 1/2-inch drive torque wrench. No particular order. The next thing I got was a screwdriver set, Mastercraft wrenches. We've got the metric set and the SAE. I also bought, I forgot the tool at home. I thought it was in the back of the car, and I checked my back trunk and it wasn't in there. So the tool is at home charging, but it's basically a 1/2-inch drive impact, cordless impact, 20 volt. I also bought some Stanley Tools. These guys are full warranty, lifetime full warranty. And this is basically a kit that you would want to have in the car or in a roll cart. And I bought some parts trays. When working on cars, I usually use my magnetic trays to hold pieces, you know, screws. But sometimes on bigger jobs, when you want to organize things or keep things organized,